Hi, today we're taking a look at the Deluxe Santa's Workshop by Enesco. It's an animated little workshop, and you can see there's a guy here. He's popping in and out of a hatch down below. There's a guy here on the stairs that moves. He rocks back and forth. There's another elf here that is pulling a pulley, some logs on the end of a pulley. And I did have to glue it back. It's pretty sturdy though. I used some Gorilla Glue, so it's pretty sturdy. Up in the attic, there's a train that moves back and forth on the track, and another elf that does move. Santa here gets stuck, so he'll go one or two times with his little hammer and then he just stops. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. We have a lit fireplace in the back. You can see it back there. And then there is a little lantern here that's lit up. Over here, we have another elf that pops in and out of this door. I'll show you that. You can see he's kind of coming from the outside. Now we are missing our weather vane on top. You can see it was right up there. We have a cassette tape deck here that had the tape in it, and the motor does run on it. Now when we tried to play our tape, it ate the tape, so unfortunately the tape got destroyed. I'm not sure if this can be fixed or replaced, but it is spinning in there. And if we turn it back around this side, you can see it does have the mailbox in place. And that is the Deluxe Santa's Workshop by Enesco. Thanks for watching.